I love this challenge because design is always a balance between form and function. Personally, I believe form should come first, especially in the entertainment industry. We never do something just for function. Even this small buckle and the holes are purely functional, meant to hold this piece in place. But I would never do anything just for that. That's why 3D work is so meticulous, while in 2D you can just create a shape and become a concept designer. We have to check from every angle to see if things are working. Design can be seen in a very specific way, but more than that, our eyes perceive the macro, which is the overall shape of each piece and the concentration of details. I noticed you were very careful with the curves. Something as simple as making these chest lines flow downward is what I'm talking about. There are lines that are congruent and going somewhere. You didn't make a straight line there, then another line going this way, which could be solved like a design puzzle. But your intuition to make the line follow from under the arm works. There's a reason it works like congruent lines and symmetry. I also like this shoulder line, which has this shape. All of this adds to the character, making it look like a human created it, not the chaos of nature. But I still feel there's something more fundamental before all of this. Is the silhouette of the foot okay? The silhouette of the leg? The internal silhouettes? It's something I try to translate from what my eyes perceive. It's very difficult because there are things I see that I can't express, and sometimes I might say something that isn't exactly what I'm feeling. It's a mystery how we perceive and articulate. You have to keep doing this a lot for it to become a natural and less painful process.